How's it going, guys? I'm Tyler. This is Dave. We own European Auto Solutions in Hudson, New Hampshire. We're both master level mechanics with a combined 20 years experience working on BMW, Audi, Mercedes, and Mini. We also have the dealer's license and can do state inspections. We're happy to help you with any questions you might have or any problems. Feel free to call us, stop by, send an email, whatever you want, and have a great day.
What's up, guys? Dave from European Auto. Got a 2016 M3 in the shop with the S55 motor. We're going to be doing the crank hub upgrade on this from Vargas Turbo Technologies. They have produced a crank hub that has a splined lock on the end of it. So when you torque the crank bolt into place, it actually will lock right into the crank, preventing it from spinning. From the factory, they're not locked in place and can potentially spin, causing internal engine damage. Even ruin the motor, bend the valves. A lot of different things can happen, causing a lot of labor to fix. We're going to be showing you basically the install process here and how it works and everything about it. So follow along and we'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Again, here from European Auto. Got a little further in the process. We removed the water-cooled intercooler that sits on top of the motor. We have removed the high-pressure fuel rail, valve cover, engine cooling fan, 1,000 coolant hoses, secondary coolant pump, and the crank hub. So next process would be to put in the whole engine in time, and we'll be removing the crank hub. What's up, guys? Day 2 here on the F80 M3. We spent yesterday locking the motor in top dead center, releasing the crank bolt, and went through and pulled the time chain guides, Vanos units, and the stock crank hub. So we have now installed the splined crank hub and torqued it to the initial 75 foot-pound procedure, and it's basically locked into place now into the crank. The biggest deal with this is, which the other options on the market, you have to actually drill into the crankshaft, which can potentially cause issues if you don't drill it correctly or straight or properly. So this option makes it really straightforward for you to actually just press that right into the crank and not have to worry about it again. We have our final cams locked, tone wheels locked, and the crank is locked in top dead center. And we'll be doing our final torque procedure and reassembling the motor. How's it going, guys? About to wrap up the F80 M3 here. We completely reassembled the motor. I have the fuel injectors disconnected so we can bleed the oil system before the initial fire up so we don't get any air in the system. And then we'll be ready for a test drive. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the process here, and have a good day.